Let's find the 100 microfarad electrolytic capacitor. Insert its negative lead into the white marked hole on the PCB right above the switch. Next, find the 470 microfarad electrolytic capacitor and insert its negative lead into the white marked hole located near the top of the board. Now, let's find the 100 nanofarad capacitor. It's the small orange disc-shaped one, and insert it into the holes right next to our large capacitor. Once they're in, we can start soldering them in place just like before. Afterward, clip off the excess leads to clean everything up. Take the switch and look for the side marked with the black stripe. We need to insert it into place so that this stripe is facing toward us. This orientation is necessary for the circuit to function properly. We also have a diode. The side marked with the gray stripe must face to the left, exactly as indicated on the PCB layout, so make sure to insert it accordingly. Go ahead and solder the diode in place, then clip off its excess leads. After that, we can move on to soldering the pins of the switch.